There is so much to know about conversation that anyone, even I, could ever realize. You can go through watching talk shows, radio programs, participate in public speaking webinars, ordinary conversations. Certain rules still apply when it comes to interacting through words. It may sound tedious, I know, but even though it's your mouth that's doing the work, your brain works twice as hard to churn out a lot of things. So what better way to start learning to be an effective communication is to know the very person closest to you, yourself. Education is all about learning the basics, but to be an effective speaker is to practice what you have learned. My stint as guest speaker has taught me that we all have limitations, but that doesn't mean we can't learn to keep up and share what we know. It's just as important as asking questions. Sometimes listening to the sound of your own voice can teach us to be a little bit more confident with ourselves and to say the things we believe in with conviction. We all make mistakes, and sometimes we tend to slur our words, probably mispronounce certain words even though we know what it means, but rarely use it only to impress listeners. So in a group, don't be afraid to ask if you are saying the right word properly. There is a lot to say when it comes to directing your attention to your audience with an eye-catching gaze. It's important that you keep your focus when talking to a large group in a meeting or a gathering. A little bit of humor can do wonders to lift the tension or worse, boredom when making your speech. That way, you'll get the attention of the majority of the crowd, and they'll feel that they are just as approachable and as human to those who listen. Interaction is all about mingling with other people. You'll get a lot of ideas as well as knowing what people make them as they are. Listening to the sound of your own voice while you practice your speech in front of a mirror can help correct the stress areas of your pitch. A smile says it all, much like eye contact. There's no point on frowning in a meeting or a gathering unless it's a wake. You can better express what you are saying when you smile. Make the best out of preparation rather than just writing notes, and often in a hurried panic. Some people like to write things down on index cards. I have learned to empower myself when it comes to public or private speaking, and it never hurts to be with people to listen how they make conversations and meetings far more enjoyable as well as educational. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.